Okay, today's lecture is pretty simple. I just want to teach you valence electrons. So the first thing you should do is fill in what these actually are. So it's written in blue. These are the electrons in the last s and p orbitals, which happen to be the highest energy levels. This will actually become more important in the next chapter, which is bonding. But for now, this is just an introduction. All right, so if you look at something like magnesium, the atomic number is 12, and we learned before that its configuration would look like this. Okay, now what is valence? You see a lot of S's up here in one P, but you have to go to the end of the configuration. So the end is showing you S, or 3s2, right? So S is the orbital that we're looking at. There's no P after this S. So the valence here is just 2. It is not 8. You don't add the other 6. So the valence electrons are simply 2. Let's try another one. Chlorine. 17. So the configuration looks like this. Okay, now we do have an S at the end, which has 2 electrons in it, and there is a P after this, and that P shows 5. So you add them. 2 plus 5 is 7 valence. And then finally, what happens if we see other letters besides the S and the P at the end? So here's gallium. Okay, so your last S is right here. It's showing a 2. And then I see 3D10. Ignore the D's. The D's are not part of the valence. But 4P1 is. So this would have 3 valence electrons.